Hi, remember me? I'm a Cree Program Manager at PSI Metals. Now that you know how to register and create your user profile in the PSI App Store, let's learn how to make a purchase. The PSI App Store offers a wide range of software solutions and services for industrial production with just a few clicks. Now you are ready to make your first purchase. On the Products page, you can either scroll down to find the item you want or use the Products tab on the top menu. After you find the product, just click on it. You will be taken to a landing page. There you will have an overview of the product, the features list, and the prices. To start the purchase process, simply click on the Subscribe Now button or on the Pricing tab. Now you need to select the type of implementation and the type of payment. After that, you will need to configure your product by choosing the number of users. Now just click on the button Add to Cart. If you click on the cart icon, you will see your order details and the prices for the features and services. Because you already filled out your details, now you just need to scroll down and choose your payment method and confirm the purchase by agreeing with the product terms and conditions. After you click on the Submit button, you will receive an order confirmation from the PSI team. If you click the View Product button, you will be redirected to the orders list, where you can check your purchase details. Now you are ready to start your purchase journey at the PSI App Store.